Hi everybody, Hyundai Accent, rattle noise, driver's side front, in gear, vehicle warm, vehicle cold, could be in drive, could be in reverse. Couple things here. Chalk your wheels, make sure they're blocked, emergency brake is set. Coming across the back, jack stand and jack. Now, why do I have the tire off already? If you watch my other video on how to replace the tire rod end, you'll see that as well. There was a rattle in the front end here as well. But check this out. I removed the splash shield. Wanted to get in here and take a look. Look at this bolt right there. See the end of it is nice and shiny. Just in that one little spot. Yeah, something's been rubbing against it. Here's our culprit right here. Right there. So what I've done is I've taken some brake clean, sprayed the area down, get rid of any grease or debris, and I'm going to install some two-way tape. I'm going to put this two-way tape cut little strips of this off, of course, put it into this area, build it up a couple of layers, pardon me, just to build up a space between this point right there and that point there to get rid of this little bit of rattling. Pardon me. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. This is an easy fix. I've already got the vehicle up and tire off because this tire rod end is no good. Watch the other video for that. Hyundai Accent, this one's an 09. So I mean, they haven't changed since what, 06 to 2010 anyway. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Questions, comments, likes, all the time. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna this is part 2 of basically what I've done here to try to alleviate the squeaking noise off this bolt right there. So all I did was I took some two-way tape, pretty thick two-way tape, put it on here, but it wouldn't stick to this plastic piece after I cleaned and everything. So I just used a bunch of Gorilla Glue just down in here, glued this on, and what that is going to act as is a buffer between obviously this shield and this bolt here. And if you have that little bit of a rattling noise, again, at idle, in drive or reverse. What do you think about my light that I've got here as well? Look at this thing. Pretty awesome, isn't it? It's like 4K, it's an LED, it's like whatever, 3 feet long, 4 feet long, whatever it is. 270 degree view of light, pretty awesome. So real simple here. All I'm gonna do is bolt this back up. 2 little 10mm bolts. Look at my thumb, I crushed it. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? And 2 of them, one up here, one up there. Put it in, and that will alleviate that rattle noise, again, in drive or reverse at idle. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that other stuff. Check my other videos. We always have lots of fun. Did you check out my ladder dive yet? No? Check that one out. 6-foot ladder, step ladder, phase plant into like 5 feet of snow, stayed there for a little while. Then my other one where I swim in the snow, you did check that out. Check out my channel. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. GoPro, stop recording.